Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Jaguar XF and how to remove your front door panel, the driver and passenger side. So if you have to work on your speakers or your window switches or your door handle or your door locks, if something's not working, and also for replacing the window glass, the door panel has to be removed. So I'm going to be showing you the driver's side and also one of the rear doors, as the rear doors is a little bit easier to work on. First thing first, make sure the door compartments are completely empty. Remove the rubber grommet, and right behind the grommet is a small screw. This screw is a T20 socket. Then right underneath this armrest is a slot that I'm going to open with a straight screwdriver or any small object to pry this out, and also the same on the other side. And right inside there's a T30 screw, one on each side. After removing the two T30 screws, the last screw that needs to be removed is in this corner. As you can see, there's a small cover right here. I'm going to pry it out. And right behind is a T20 socket screw. Once removed, we could start removing the door panel. For the top, I'm going to insert my hand on the side and just pull towards me. You're going to hear some snaps, and that's the snaps of the door panel coming off of these clips. So first thing, remove this cable. And then I'm going to just go all the way around and remove all the cables. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to remove these cables, it's very easy. You just push on this button. Here's the door handle cable. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I have access to everything behind the door panel. And for installation, the procedure is the same, just do it in the reverse order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video's helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.